Hello everyone. Following the temporary conservatory orders issued by the High Court of Kenya to blocking the implementation of the new Cybercrimes Amendment Bill 2024, two presidential hopefuls, Dr. Reuben Kigame and former Chief Justice David Maraga, had earlier morning moved to court seeking the suspension of the implementation of the Cybercrimes Act 2024, whereby, in a petition filed at the High Court of Milimani, two petitioners argued that the new Cybercrimes Amendment Bill was unconstitutional and threatens fundamental freedoms guaranteed under the Constitution 2010.
The bills include the Computer Misuse and the Cybercrimes Amendment Act. We have carefully reviewed these bills approved by the National Assembly and signed into law by Ruto. Our questions, beloved Kenyans, are these. When will the Kenyan state decide to work for its people?
The lawyers were therefore asking the court to issue conservatory orders to halt the implementation of this law, pending the hearing and determination of the case. According to the petitioners, the amendment was rushed through Parliament without proper public participation or either the involvement of the Senate, whereby the members of the two houses of the bicameral Parliament did not take time to educate the public about the contents of the bill. According to Dr. Reuben Kigame, the new provisions of the Act will now introduce vague and overly broad offences, including the criminalisation of publishing false information, misleading or either fictitious data, whereby, in his view, the wording of the Act actually lacks a legal clarity and could be abused to silence critics, or else could stifle free expression for the people of Kenya. The amendments are, however, quite very ambiguous and overreaching, therefore creating offences that fail to meet constitutional standards for limiting rights and freedoms provided under Article 24 of the Constitution. According to the amendments in the new Act, the law grants government agencies an authority to access and restrict online accounts assumed to be spreading false information or posing cybersecurity threats. A move that could actually disadvantage the people of Kenya by denying them a freedom of expression, most particularly the government critics.
The amendments to the Computer Misuse and the Cybercrimes Act, in essence, seek to control and crush political dissent and protests in the guise of expanding protections from cybercrimes.
The new law also extends phishing to include fraudulent phone calls and introduce a tough penalty for unauthorized SIM swaps. Thank you and keep on subscribing.